How to create or open Australian Super account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up a web browser and on the search bar, search for www.australiansuper.com. Once you're on this web page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then tap on Join. From the drop-down menu, select Super. And now you need to fill up some details, so start by entering your email address. Then check the box that says I've understood the privacy collection statement, then tap on Get Started. Now the first part is to enter your personal details. So go ahead and enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, then select your gender and then tap on the Continue button. Now you need to enter your residential address. So go ahead and enter all of that, including your postcode or zip code, then tap on the Continue button. Now enter your phone number, then tap on Continue. Now the next step is to fill up your tax file number. If you don't have that, you can skip it and tap on Continue. Here it's asking you if your employer is contributing to your super. Select yes and enter your employee's ABN, or select no if you are self-employed and then enter your occupation. Now tap on Continue. Now read through all of this carefully and then check the box that says I read and understood the product disclosure statement, then tap on Continue. Here you can choose between default or customize. Select as per your wish and then tap on Continue. Now in this step, you can nominate a beneficiary. Tap on yes if you want to and then fill up the details, or tap on no if you don't want that and then tap on Continue. Now read through all of this carefully and then tap on Continue once you have done that. Now this is the declaration and acknowledgement section, so go through all of this very carefully and then check the box that says I've confirmed, I've read and accepted the declaration and acknowledgement, then tap on the Continue button. Now go ahead and review all the details that you have added. Tap on the Edit button if you wish to edit any of the information. Once you have reviewed all the information, tap on the Submit button. And as you can see, you have successfully created an Australian Super account. You will also receive an email shortly confirming your account creation. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.